Have you heard about the case? Simpson versus the Kroger Corp? This is a lawsuit which started on October 2011 when Mary Simpson went to her local Ralph's supermarket. She wanted to buy some spreadable butter when she saw this tub of challenge butter. She ended up buying it, but when she got home, she realized that it wasn't pure butter. It was actually butter mixed with canola oil. She was misled by the labeling on this product, so she decided to sue the Kroger Corporation for unfair competition, false advertising, and violation of the Consumer Legal Remedies Act, because this butter was not properly labeled per the California Milk and Milk Products Act, or the MMPA. The defendants, which was the Kroger Corporation, demurred the complaint, saying that this product was properly labeled under the California MMPA, but they also argued that this state law was expressly and impliedly preempted by the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, or FDCA. The trial court agreed with the defendants' claim about the MMPA being preempted by the FDCA. They also found that the butter product was non-standardized, where there is a federal labeling requirement, but no comparable California labeling requirement. The case was dismissed with prejudice, and Simpson appealed. In her appeal, Simpson shifted her argument to say that she should have been granted leave to amend the three consumer causes of action because the labels violated Sherman Law, which broadly prohibits the misbranding of food. Under this law, misbranding is defined as any labeling that is false or misleading. She also made sure to claim that the Sherman Law is not preempt, since it's identical to the FDCA. The courts analyzed her preemption claim, and they found that the FDCA was amended by the Nutrition Labeling and Education Act in 1990. This amendment included an explicit preemption provision, making it so that no state could make a requirement which is not identical to the requirements of the FDCA. The courts found that the Sherman Law and the FDCA were identical, so they agreed with Simpson that the Sherman Law was not preempted. In opposition, Kroger argued that their product was properly labeled because butter with canola oil is considered a non-standardized food under the FDCA. They said that the plaintiff had no basis for the three consumer causes which she alleged because their products were never mislabeled or misbranded, since under the FDCA, the common name of the food, as well as any other characterizing ingredients, must be included in the label, and this butter label complies with these requirements. In the end, the courts affirmed the dismissal because under the Legal Remedies Act, the plaintiff only had to show that members of the public would be likely deceived by the label on the product, and Simpson failed to show this. The court concluded that the label clearly informed any reasonable consumer that the product contains both butter and canola oil, and no reasonable consumer could buy this product thinking that they had purchased pure butter.